I'm Natalie Toland. I'm the host of Columbia Tonight, and we're here with Friday Pilots Club, the first musical guest of episode 1. This is their soundcheck interview. So, why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Caleb.
I'm Mike.
I'm Ethan.
I'm Ian. I'm Spencer.
Awesome. So, how did you guys form and when?
I believe it was 3 years ago. Yes. Going on 3 years ago, and Ethan and I used to jam a little bit, and Mike and I would jam, and then we realized that we were all three friends, and they were actually roommates, and then it just kind of happened.
We knew Spencer from high school. Me and Mike did. So we needed a bass player, so we got Spencer, and then we were like, we should add another guitar player. And we knew Ian from Columbia, so yeah.
Just dragging them in.
Freshman
awesome.
year.
Yeah, so what do you guys describe your sound as, or maybe some of your influences?
I guess our technical term is indie rock band. A lot of our stuff sounds like Strokes or Arctic Monkeys, Young the Giant, a little bit of Local Natives. Just like a whole blend of different, alternative
Very alternative.
bands. I guess.
Gotcha. Awesome. So you just released your new EP, South State. Do you want to talk a little bit about that? Maybe some of the memories you had making it, and favorite songs?
Sure. I'll say something. I don't even know why I looked down there. We spent a lot of time on this one. We spent 8 months getting it together and going from beginning, even after we wrote the songs, to finishing them up and getting in the studio with Greg Ponchiera and recording. It was a really cool process. While we were finishing one of the songs, the song that we're playing on the show, it's called This Good Venom. We were in the studio in CRC, and Chance the Rapper was in CRC in a studio across from us.
He was finishing
Collingwood.
Yep. I don't think he was there when we were there, but he was.
No, his crew
he
was
was there.
He was.
Yeah, they were upstairs.
What?
Oh, it was so crazy.
That's our connection.
We were the last band to record in Rosebud Studios, and we recorded 3 of the songs in Rosebud. Rosebud was a studio in Hiltunen. It's really, really good. There's a what's that guy's name? Ed Sheeran video where he's playing in Rosebud. They just shut it down. Alright, fun facts.
Alright, okay. These guys are way cooler than I thought.
I suppose.
So did you guys do anything differently? You kind of talked a little bit about the recording process, but from your first EP to this one, did you do anything differently within your recording process?
We came in with money. That's what we did.
Oh.
Yeah, we spent a lot more time mixing.
Yes.
In terms of recording it was kind of the same process where we'd write the songs, jam for a while, and then we'd go into the studio and just all together play them at once. So both of the times we've recorded, they've been live recordings, but we spent so much time mixing this, a couple of weeks probably.
Yeah.
And I think because of that, this record sounds way bigger than the first one.
Yeah.
It's very full sound.
Songwriting's a lot different too. It's a little bit more mature. It steps away from your typical A, B, C progression. it definitely does E, F, G, Z. And that's really cool. And we really wrote this, with the exception of Future Son, which Ian wrote. We really wrote this record as a band. That's cool. It's really good.
Yeah, from our previous EP, Dream, there's a lot of reverb and a lot of distortion in guitars, and just having to come together. But working on this new EP, we realized we wanted to add new effects that would give us more complete, full, and I wanted to say
Grungier sound.
Yeah, and just you can totally tell from the songwriting lyrics that we've definitely matured and stuff. Just talking about girls, now it's all about life experiences. Yeah.
Now we're talking about boys.
Yeah, so what's going to happen in the future for Friday Night?
Who knows? Just kidding. Some fun stuff, maybe.
But yeah, we're gonna get on tour. That's what we're gonna do. We have some things that we're working on right now as a band that are a little bit. They're everything is good and bad, and there's some bad stuff that we're working through right now. It's kind of sad, but we are, that all plays into what we're gonna be doing down the road. We're getting ready for South by Southwest and to go this summer and get out on the road and go play all over. It's gonna be fun. We're all graduating from college. We're adults now. It's cool.
We'll see. We'll see about that. So a lot of exciting things happening for you guys, obviously, a lot of new stuff. But are there any upcoming events that you guys want to promote right now? What's to look out for in the future for you guys?
Actually, December 13th, we're playing House of Blues. It's a universal music group, and it's gonna be huge. It's actually during our finals, so but it's awesome. It's a charity event for Boys for Tots and USO. We're just really happy. Yeah, it's good fun too. Yeah, that's the best too. And we also have
Tuesday, 29th of November. So we're playing at the Uncommon Ground venue out in like Rydholm area. It's an acoustic show. It's like more like an intimate, small. If you've ever been to that venue, it's like we're playing like a 30-minute acoustic set with this like charity event. I believe.
So November 29th, you said
At Uncommon Ground.
Oncoming Ground, and then December 13th, House of Blues. Awesome. So look out for Friday Pilots Club. Thanks for watching this soundcheck interview. Check us out.
Change.